Oh, yeah?
And the teeth.
Telescope?
Far away.
Yeah.
Out space.
You're reading about space and the universe?
New dippers. And for the rocket ships go up in the space.
Wow.
This is right here. It's really hot. The hot is the tangle. And the cheese look far away of the base. This right here is a rocket ship and going out in the base.
Oh, it's a rocket ship and it's going to go outer space?
Yeah.
What is that?
Night.
It's nighttime?
Nighttime is really
And what's in the sky?
rocks.
Rocks? Yeah,
Rocks
yeah.
in the
Stars. Stars are rocks.
To wake up.
Yeah.
I wake up in the morning and find the rock come out.
Yeah.
Up in the surface.
On the surface.
Yep. The earth come out. Okay, I show you.
Mm, sure. Okay.
Show you about space.
You gonna show me about space?
Come on. Where's the moon? This like this moon was there. Blue has to come out of this earth right here. And then blue has to boom cut out to the rocks.
Oh, my goodness.
Where's your book?
Oh,
What's it called? It's called The Universe?
universe. Yeah.
So you're going to read some more?
Wait. More.
Okay.
The eye of the space look far away.
Well, space is very far away.
And
Whoa, look at that.
yeah,
What is that?
it's a rocket ship.
Oh, whoa.
Rocket ship flew up in the sky. Whoa, what is that? What is that? And
Is it
go.
sun?
Is that a sun?
And think so.
I think so too.
This is this earth right here.
That's Earth, I think.
Yeah, this one is
Where?
full of the water.
Oh, that's Earth
Come
right
out
there.
of the
Oh.
water.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yep, Daddy. This one is built up and the right is there. This mountain right there. Mountain and the kind up to the volcano. This,
You like volcanoes, don't you?
yeah,
Yeah,
I like water.
yeah. And you get very excited over the moons
Yeah,
and the sky.
I want to telescope.
What?
You want a telescope?
Yeah.
You want a telescope for Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Comes out of volcanoes.
Lava.
Lava, that's right.
Good job, Papa.
This is a telescope.
That is a telescope.
This